Here I am in downtown Dublin. Up at rainy on a Monday here, but having a good time. Believe it or not, I found a shop. That was full of gongs and singing bowls and other things. A nice little shop. And the manager recognized me from my YouTube videos, which was pretty interesting. So he really wanted to show me the room that they have downstairs with all the iced tea and lettuce and their gongs. And he asked me if I could play them and if he could take a video of me playing them. So I did. I played the gongs for a bit, and it was a fun time. And he said if I'm in Dublin again, let them know. We can set up a session for me to do. So that was fun, having a go there. Yeah. Certainly didn't expect to find a shop full of gongs and singing bowls and bells and all the sound of a bit of accoutrements. It was nice to find, so having a good time here. Yeah, hope to come back. It's been a good trip here. It's been a lot of fun. It's a lively town. Lots of good music. Lots of good food. Nice people. Why not? Okay. Check in later. Thanks.